Today I'm having a look at this extendable laptop stand that I purchased from Amazon. Now, the reason why I wanted to get something like this has got this kind of larger extension on it, is because this allows you to be able to stand whilst using your laptop. Now, at the moment, I've been sitting down a lot and I find that I get really bad backache. So I wanted something like this, and this was only like £38 off Amazon. I'll leave a link below. But it extends, so you can have it lower down and flat if you just want it in a normal position, or you can fully extend it and have it on a table like this, where you can stand up and obviously talk and then readjust it when you feel comfortable or you want to sit down for a while. So this seemed like a good option, and it seems fairly sturdy, but we'll see what it's like when I get it out of the box. So this is on the front of the box. On the side it says adjustable height, and it's got ergonomic design, up to a 17-inch laptop, maximum weight of 10 kilograms, and then it shows you here how it kind of flip out, and then you kind of fold it out and adjust that button at the back. So it's pretty straightforward. It's made of aluminium alloy, and this one, it happens to be in grey, and they do different colours depending on what you're after. So let me get this out of the box and I'll show you what it looks like. So inside the box, just to show you, you get a couple of bits, mostly instructions, which I think are going to be straightforward. But you also get this little Allen key with a couple of screws to set it up. So it looks pretty straightforward. So I'll set this up now and show you what it looks like. All right, so I've got this out, and actually those screws are just spares. You don't actually need them to set it up. It's already set up as soon as you get it out of the box. And you can see this is my older one, which doesn't expand. It's just a standard stand itself. And this is my stand, the new stand, but it's fully extended. And you can see there's a huge height difference. And this is perfect for me because it means I can stand up at tabletop height and actually work on my machine at the same time. And then if you want to, just underneath there is a button here that you can press, and that will collapse it all the way down. I'm obviously doing this with one hand at the minute. I don't want to drop my laptop, but it's very easy. You simply press that and you can kind of collapse it all the way down, and it'll be about this height. So it also has these nice rubber feet, so it stops your laptop slipping down, and this will obviously grip it at the end of the laptop. And at the bottom, you've also got some rubber feet as well to stop it from scratching the surface and slipping around, which is really nice. So the whole thing is reasonably light, but feels very, very solid. That's just a really, really quick unboxing, guys. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, let me know. But this is a fairly straightforward piece of kit. It's very, very good if you work from home and you just want to kind of help your back and not sit down all day. I think this is a great option because it stops you having to get a whole freestanding desk, and you can simply put it on a standard desk you've already got, or you can put it on a tabletop like I've done.